So I will start. It's a 36 credit program, um, a general master's degree in public administration. It will start in fall of this September, the weekend after Labor Day. And it is a weekend program that primarily takes place on Saturdays. The program is what we call a cohort program, where you and a group of your classmates progress through the program, one class after the other, till you complete the required amount of credits. Part of this program is also a capstone project that takes place in the form of a portfolio. You will submit that portfolio as your final project. This capstone takes form of a problem statement, solutions, literature review. It's a pretty standard master's project. The program requires that you go to campus in the first summer of the program. That will be in summer 2021. The way this program is structured, students are allowed to receive federal financial aid in the form of school loans. This is filed for once a year in August, so you will have to do it this year and next year for the final semester. Alfred will walk you through that process the entire way. I do also want to emphasize that we plan on offering this program as an in-person program on the weekends from 8:30 to 4. We are fully prepared to offer this program online if a period of time dictates that, such as like we're going through right now. So let me go over the schedule real quick. Gail, you have probably received this already. I'm not sure if you have, Stacy, but we can take a look at it. Can everyone see the Word document on my screen? Obviously, I need to update.
Yeah.
I need to update
Yes.
my office. But, so this is your program schedule, start to finish. It is a 4-semester program. You will be taking 9 credits a semester. You can also take note that the first weekend of the program, that is September 12th and 13th, you'll be going to school both days, on
Right.
Saturday and Sunday. The reason for that is because the first day, September 12th, is a program orientation, where you will go through an orientation as an Alfred University student. We will tell you how to pay your bills, how to view your grades, your academic records, etc. In summer 2021, you are going to campus July 18th to the 23rd. So that is planned a year out, so you can plan for that. I have my master scheduler here, Atia, on the call with us. You've probably spoken to her at one point or another. Atia, we have some upcoming interview dates.
Yes, we do. We have April 18th, which is a Saturday, and then we have April 20th, which will be the Monday.
So if either of you are interested in scheduling a phone interview for those days, you can reach out to Atia. Her email is atia@citeonline.com.
Okay.
ATIYA@citeonline.com. She'd be happy to schedule you. Okay.
Not really. Just that, if you guys have any questions, you can always reach out to me via email. Again, it's atia@citeonline.com, which is ATIYA@citeonline.com. If you have not yet scheduled your interview, I would suggest maybe reaching out to me sooner than later, so that I can go ahead and schedule your interview and also address any other questions you may have.
I want to emphasize that myself and Atia are here to answer any of your questions. So feel free to reach out to us. Atia will be reaching out with a kind of a follow-up email.
Okay.
And, you know, don't be a stranger if you have any questions. And we're also problem solvers. So if you have any problems with your application, let us know. Again, very nice talking with you. Feel free to reach out to us. And we're looking forward to seeing you guys in the fall.